Boys, so we are looking for this number right here. Keston gave us the go-ahead, so ready? Lights, camera, 1, 2, 3, come on, baby! What's up, everybody? So, right now, Keston has been working hard. Guys, just so you know, this is the most elusive piece of the truck this whole time. It's this little clutch pivot ball right here. It hooks up right here, and it hooks up to your Z-bar right here, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Hooks up right there, and it connects to your bell housing bolts. So thank you, Keston. So that hooks up to your bell housing bolts and keeps your clutch nice and straight so it doesn't wear out faster. So that has been the most elusive part of the pickup. Keston just got done with these amazing welds. Let me go ahead and grab the light. These things are handy.
Amazing, but they're not bad.
They're handy dandy little welds. Look at that, guys. I mean, that don't look too bad for exhaust welds. Come on now. Don't hate. Don't hate. Appreciate. Look at that, guys. So we've got her vented out the exhaust sides here. Looking good, looking good. So now we're gonna go ahead and throw that bracket on there. And then I do believe we are on our way to firing this thing up, guys. So we had this all on a time lapse, so you guys will have seen that by now. So we're gonna go ahead and put that bracket on there. We'll see you when it's done. Well, boys, we got everything set up here. We are adjusting some floats, right, Keston? Checking floats, yeah, because I asked him to do that. My dad asked me to check the floats. So that's what we're doing right now. Nothing crazy, but we did get that thing installed. It is not correct though. Like, I guess these guys swapped, I don't know why they did this, but it only came in a big block here, and they swapped it to a small block, but then we're swapping it back to a big block. So we don't know what the heck is going on, but Keston is gonna fix it and fabricate that clutch pivot ball that I showed you last time. So, without further ado, we're getting ready to fire this bad boy up. Hopefully. So we're gonna get that on camera for you guys. So if you guys wanna see this bad boy fire up and not have any kind of problems, smack that like button. Please, please, please. But we do have a time lapse for y'all too. So we're getting this bad boy on the road. We'll see you here in a minute. Hey, Keston, we are getting ready to fire this bad boy up, aren't we?
Finally.
Finally.
I'm just gonna look for a fan real quick.
A fan?
Yeah, so we can make sure that, because we're gonna be running it for 20-30 minutes.
Oh yeah, you want to blow it through the radiator, right? So, guys, what you want to do during braking, we're gonna run this 30 minutes at an allotted RPM. I'm not sure the RPM. I'm just kind of here. Keston's doing all the smart work here. Keston, what RPM are we running it at? 2? Okay, guys, so we're running it at 2,000 RPM for 30 minutes to break that in, make sure it gets nice and hot to seat those rings and all the other stuff that it involves with. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. But guys, she is in, everything is good, the carburetor is cleaned, and we're gonna go ahead and get this bad girl fired up there, son. So y'all stay tuned, smack that like button. Don't let me down, guys. We're hoping because we were told that these 351 Cleveland heads would fit on this 400 with the 400 valves and the 400 rods. They said they were interchangeable. So we're believing them, we're going with it. It was my dad. If not, my dad owes me a whole new setup. So just remember that, guys. He's the one who said all that stuff. And we're ready to rock and roll, baby. Dude, that thing looks so pretty in there, don't it? Sheesh. So, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smack that like button, smack that subscribe button, and we're getting ready to fire this bad girl up. Peace. Well, boys, we are getting ready to fire this bad boy up. Keston says, Joel, hop up in there. I figured he was going to be the one. Are you going to be the one timing it?
Yeah, I'm going to be making sure
everything's
all right.
All right, guys, let's hop up in this bad girl. Let me go ahead. You know how it is, manual life. All right.
I need this one gauge right here. Okay. I need you to watch it. If it does not come up within a second or two of starting that truck, you shut it off.
Okay.
You understand me?
Correct.
That's the only one I want you to watch until you know we have oil pressure.
Okay.
After that, the temperature gauge and all that, you can just kind of, but this one I
Oil
need you to
pressure is
keep your
main,
eye
correct.
glued on.
Okay. All right, boys. You guys will be able to see it too. So everything will happen in real time. All right, see. Oh, blinker's going. I'm not starting nothing. We got battery started, guys. Look, it has power. We got power. Guys, we are ready. We are freaking ready, boys. You ready? Yeah? All right, one.
Crank it for, if it doesn't start, crank it for 4 seconds.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, boys, what we have found out is that why this thing is not firing correctly. 1, it was spitting back. We were off one on the firing order. 2, do you guys see that? Do you guys see that little wire there? This one right, where's my finger? There it is. That one right there. Bam. That one right there is the hot wire that's supposed to go into the coil and was broke off. But it somehow was halfway painted black. So Keston thought it was like, oh, it's not a big deal. It's like, because we have two other connections over there that don't even amount to anything. It's just that one wire. So we're going to try to go ahead and fix that. That's one of the issues we were having. So, stay tuned. You what?
That's the biggest.
Yeah, that's probably the biggest issue. So we're going to go ahead, fix this bad boy, and then we're going to try to fire it back up. So y'all stay tuned. Let's get it rolling. Boys, so we are looking for this number right here. Keston gave us the go-ahead. So ready? Lights, camera, 1, 2, 3. Come on, baby.
Probably. You think that's what it was? Yeah.
That thing was loud as hell.
You what? Try again.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Well, guys, if you guys know what is going on, we got everything hooked up. We got everything going. We fired it, and it went pow, 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 and it stopped. So the deal is, we checked the ignition. Ignition was off by 1. So after that, then we're like, oh, well, we found a wire off on the coil too. So we checked the coil. That was wrong. Then we checked timing. It was too far advanced. Then, now we're dealing with a fuel issue. So, because it'll fire, but then we did a test on it with, where did Keston put it? With this bad boy. Kind of like a paint gun with a pressure gauge here. You guys can hear it. So, did that, and it was like, nah, dude, no. And it just like, out of there, instead of like, it's supposed to like gush like crazy out of there. So, didn't do that. It was kind of like streamed out of there, nothing crazy. So that's what we're doing tomorrow. We're going to replace that fuel pump. We're going to brand new. That's the only thing in the fuel system I haven't replaced. I've literally replaced every cooling component. I've replaced every fuel system component besides that one thing, guys. So now we got a brand new motor. We're getting fire up tomorrow. We have to, guys, because we got that. We got a certain surprise going on at Fat Bass's that you guys have to go check out. It's going to be so sick. So we got that. We got this going. Go ahead, subscribe, do me a favor. Thank you. Smack the like button. What's up, guys? We are back here the second day. We got a brand new fuel pump. We blew the line out. I think, just so you guys know, if you guys ever buy a brand new freaking, gas tank. Let me get in here. Brand new gas tank. Make sure you guys wash it out before you put it in, because that has a lot of sand in there, and they don't sandblast it. So they clogged our line, and I think that's part of the problem why the fuel pump blew out in the first place. So we put a brand new one in there, blew it out, cleaned everything up. We're ready to rock and roll, boys. So let's get this bad girl started. Well, guys, we got gas coming out of the filter, which is a lot more success than what we had last night. So we got something figured out here. Now we just gotta see if she'll catch. So let's keep it rolling, baby. Y'all, listen to this. It sounds so good. Keston! Woo! Listen to it. Oh my Lord. This smells so bad. I don't know what the heck they're looking at. I wish you guys could smell this right now. Oh, why as fuck. Can I get out? Yeah. Golly, it sounds so good, baby. It sounds so good. Woo!
We'll be all right right now.
Okay. Golly, guys, it sounds so good. It sounds so good. It looks like trash, but she sounds like a king. Woo! Yeah, boys. Hey, don't forget, do not forget, push that subscribe button.